Hey everybody. Well, I'm wondering if anybody else drives around with a toolkit. I have numbers of tools in my bike. It is a little heavy, but I want to be prepared any circumstance. You know what I'm saying? I drive a little ways away from the house, and I don't want to have to be stranded if I can fix it. So let me show you my toolkit, and we'll go from there. So, I got ratchet, an Allen wrench, and a screwdriver, and there's a pair of pliers in there, and the ratchet, and I got sockets, extensions, got wrenches. This one is my electrical. I've got fuses, tape, some more pliers. I've got also a torch, more tape, hemostats. I got some plugs. I got a spare belt. Just about everything you need to make a repair on the side of the road. So that's where I'm at. Well, I wanted to show you my toolkit. All right, well, I will get back with you. I got my 23-gram rollers, 22-gram rollers in, and I'm going to install them in a little bit. So I'll be back.